Today we're going to do dried flowers on campus. You see these flowers? You must put them flat. First you have to put a paper towel in a book. Then you want to put flowers and put them face down and make sure their stem is cut short like this. And you see here, this one is David Austin, and so is these pink ones. And you could also do dry flowers on campus with leaves, so it can look pretty. What's a flower without a leaf? Okay, squish, squish. Careful for the thorns.
Yeah, the little baby thorns.
After you have laid the flowers down, you might want to close the book, and you want to put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Then we have to leave it for 2 days, and then it will be ready to take out, and it'll look nice. And you could put it on a campus, or you could hang it on a frame, and then or a bookmark.
Or
you can almost do it
if you want to put it on the bookmark, then you will have to put the sticky thing on the stem and stick it on your bookmark.
I'm gonna put it in the microwave, and we'll show you how it looks like. So we put it in the microwave for 1 minute 30 seconds, and we have to put another plate on top because who wants a book to turn brown? And a plate for the plate to keep the book flat. We're gonna close it.
And that's her mom.
After we put it in the microwave, it should be hot. Ooh, it's so hot. Ugh, hot, it makes me so hot. Now we're going to show you how it looks like.
Okay. No overlapping. It's hot.
It's hot, so we're going to have to leave these.
Ow, 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 ow.
We will leave these. I'm going to show you the ones we did from a few days. So after you wait for 2 days, they'll look like this. They'll be dry.
Like chips.
Like chips.
I just feel like eating them.
Yes. And I'm gonna do the dry flowers on canvas for Teacher's Day Appreciation Day. First, I'll glue this heart on.
Yeah, and these are the ones that we did a long time ago.
First, let's start with the hearts. We're going to use glue.
Well, gluey glue.
And make sure the glue's not... we're using the wrong paintbrush.
Yes.
This one's mine. This one yours.
Yes.
Then we have to do it on... Lots of glue. Make sure glue's...
Okay. Hey, why does...
Make sure to put glue all over the canvas, just in case to stick. After you have spread everything on the heart, you pick a flower.
Yeah.
After you put glue on the whole canvas and the sides, you could get a paintbrush, put glue on it. We get glue, put it on the back, and then we easily stick it where you want it.
And then you kind of press it down.
Yes. That is squiggly side.
There you go.
Okay, my turn.
Now.
How's this? You pick the flowers.
Now I put it upside down so you know. Okay? So that's where the back.
You pick the flowers. It's easy to do it.
No.
Well, I'll just do it then.
You have to be quick because the glue will be dry very soon.
Hurry.
I got this one.
No, let me do the gluing part. And you're the sticker. You pick the flower and you stick, okay?
Okay, that's 2 jobs. Let me stick it on one.
That was the paper. Okay, choose that flower. Hurry.
That's the back already.
Okay.
No.
Get the flower. How about this? You point to the flower. Okay. And
That's enough.
now you stick.
Yeah.
Make sure they have spaces too. Looks nice. Choose one. And next, stick. Hurry, stick.
Stick.
Right here. Right here. So you have more.
Oh boy. Oh my.
Now this one.
This one.
Where you
That's
wanna
way
stick
too
it?
much. That's way too much.
You wanna stick it right here? Right here?
No,
Right here?
Here.
Hey, why are you?
You have lots on the bottom, less on the top.
Wait, hold on. Mommy have you.
Now, choose one next. This time, you stick it somewhere here on the sides, okay?
Well, this one is perfect. This place right here.
Yeah, and this place too. Wait, I'm not done yet.
What?
Silly
You're
girl.
gonna make
Your
it
hair
too
will go
much.
Your hair will have glue all over
Hurry.
your. Okay, mommy need to help you because you put it right here.
Now, choose another flower.
Oh, I think we done with flower. That's be too much now.
Why? We haven't done some here. Yeah.
Okay.
Now, ready?
Well, some leaf be nice.
Well, oh yeah, the leaves, like, no more flowers. Oops. I think I already,
You broke the leaf? Oh yeah, you do broke the leaf. Okay, now we just do one by one.
oh yeah, like that
Here.
one.
Now, Angelynn, stick the leaf.
I glue, you stick. I could do it now.
Stick.
Now, ready?
Looks nice over there.
No.
Now, mommy break one by
Get
one
away.
for you, okay? Here, did you hold it? Hold on.
Hold it.
And you can just do one by one.
Too
Here.
much. Too
Then
much.
stick.
Okay.
Why are
be
you doing too
nice.
much?
Now this one. Oops.
Stick.
Dear Mrs. Impey, teachers plant the seeds of knowledge that will grow forever. Thank you for being a great teacher.
And then,
Did Miss Impey? How did you do Miss Impey?
Alright, get the
Mommy printed out, right, Mommy?
yeah. So
I don't
basically,
like that.
any prompt you can just print it out. You on a regular printer. You want to do color. You want to design any kind of shape. Like for this, Olivia want to have the heart.
Too much.
So I put the heart for her.
Okay, my turn. You have a lot of times already. My turn.
Here. You hold it. You do it, baby.
You're the sticker.
Me too.
Sorry. Now this one.
That's why you shouldn't have glue on your hand.
Next one.
Here. And
A little bit for this one. Hurry.
here.
Here. There. One more. Just a few more.
David Austin goes.
Yeah, from England.
Well,
we can-
Mommy,
You
get
can
more
stick one more little row for her.
Sure.
Maybe where you want to do it.
Here.
Right there?
Let's glue.
Okay. Here the back.
Oh.
You are
careful.
so silly. There you go. And mommy got to stick it. There you go.
Do you like it, Mommy?
I love it.
But we accidentally did it. Look.
Oh, okay. Well,
That
because
wasn't
you put it
me.
on the wrong side too.
Oh.
So,
Now I can
Yes.
eat this.
I know. It looks so much like chips, everybody. I would do like.
don't break mommy dry flower. Angelynn, can you move a little bit? Okay, here. Don't break that flower. No, don't eat my flower too.
This is how it looks.
You silly little Billy.
It looks great in the camera, but not great on the outside.
With so much roses, we almost covered the whole heart.
Okay, now you're gonna put one more layer of glue over the flower.
This is my job.
You have to do really careful. So mommy gonna have to help you
But we
because
need more
otherwise it will go bad. Okay? Let me show you how to do this little leaf first. So you kind of
Damn.
like that. So it will protect. Oh.
My tooth is wiggling. And
Oh yeah, congratulations.
I want to see it up close, please.
Go open it. Go open your mail.
You see this one right here?
Yeah?
You're gonna have to hold the camera.
So Olivia have been waiting for so long.
And today's the day.
For how many years, Olivia?
115.
Actually, to the day I was born.
Yeah, so it's how many years? How old are you?
7 years.
Okay. Yeah, you've been waiting for 7 years.
Gentle. I'm gentle. I'm gentle to my wiggly tiggly tooth.
You're gentle to that, but not gentle to this.
Well, hold the brush straight. Hold the brush straight up.
Dab.
I do some too. Dab.
No, Angelynn, this is you have to use the brush.
I want to use the brush and have one.
Olivia,
But then the bees, how are the bees gonna pollen the flowers?
Yeah, but okay.
We're finished applying the layer of glue. Now and tomorrow we're gonna put another layer of glue on top.
Looks like
Everybody, it dried and we want to show you how it looks. To us it looks very nice. And we don't have to do the second coat of glue because on the first layer of glue, we added way too much, so it's gonna be fine now. And it's been 2 days for our dry flowers. And they look nice.
really much I like are
The yellow ones.
Yeah.
To us, they look really much like chips.
Not like eating them.
They're flat. There's yellow ones, the dark purple one, and the pink one. Okay. And again, this canvas is for my teacher, Mrs. MP. I hope she'll like it because I know she likes flowers.
Oh, and I have to get working on the gift for my teacher too.
Your teacher's at me.
Of course. Not working.
Thank you for watching, everybody. We hope you want to use this creation if you want to do it and have fun with it. Bye.